Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. This hunt today is an animal coin hunt, and it's been designated animal coin hunt number 53. The first coin that we have is a Canadian coin. It shows Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth, the late Queen, and it is a 1979 5-cent coin. On the reverse you have the name of the country, which is Canada. Let's see if we can get that in focus a little better. Should be a little better by the looks of it. Yes, there we go. It's a 5-cent coin from 1979. As it said on the obverse, we have Her Majesty the Queen, the late Queen Elizabeth II. We have on the reverse here, we have the name of the country, which is Canada. We have the value of 5 cents. We have the year, and we have the animal, which is the beaver. This coin has a huge mintage, and the mintage is 186,295,825. That is a massive mintage. Only in America could you probably match that. The next one is a modern coin, and it has the modern coat of arms of South Africa. It has a country name, it also has a year. This is a coin from 2016. It is a R1 coin from South Africa. And on the reverse you have a value of R1 at the top, and then you have a springbok in flight. There is no mintage figures for this coin that I could find. There was a proof coin which was only 3,000, but I don't believe that this particular coin is a proof coin. So the mintage is unknown. Next coin is from just across the Irish Sea in Ireland, or Éire. It's a 20p coin from 1996, so this is pre them going into the euro. Now I have 3 coins from Ireland, and they're all pre-European coins. On this side you have the harp, the country name of Éire, and the year. The year is 1996. Then on the reverse we have the value of 20p, and we have a racehorse. The mintage for this 1996 coin is 29,291,000. Now, I'm going to take these slightly out of sequence, but they're both exactly the same coin, they're just from different years. This first Éire coin, or Irish coin, which is, you can see the coat of arms and the date and the harp. You have the same on this side. They both have a value of £1. One of them is from 1999 and the other one is from 1980. The 1999 coin, which is this one here, on the right hand side as you're looking, shows a stag, and the mintage is just 10 million. The £1 coin here on the left hand side, which is showing the harp, has a stag on the other side, which I'll just show you. There you go, there's a stag. But the mintage for this particular 1980 coin is 62,292,000. The one that I missed out, and it went in was between the two, was this Norwegian krona. It's a 1 krona coin from 1970. It has the portrait of the monarch, which is Olaf V, who was the monarch in 1970. And on the reverse, you have a prancing / running horse. You also have the year, the country name, and the value. This Norwegian 1 krona coin from 1970 has a mintage of 8,637,900. The next coin is again from Canada. This is a 25-cent coin from 1977. On this particular side you have the late Her Late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Then on the reverse you have the value, the name of the country and the year. And the animal on it is a caribou. The next coin is from Austria. It's a 5-shilling coin from 1990. On this side you have the country name, the Vienna horse and horseman. It's sometimes known as a Lipizzaner or Lipizzaner horse, which is the animal, and on the other side is a shield, the value, the year and the country name. This 5-shilling coin from Austria has a mintage of 36,512,000, and the animal again is the Lipizzaner horse. You can actually go and watch a show of these Lipizzaner horses parading their skills in Vienna if you want to go and watch it, or you used to be able to anyway. As far as I know it hasn't changed, but it's probably quite expensive. The next coin again shows Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, Her Late Majesty Queen Elizabeth. It is a 5-cent coin from Canada from 1981. On the reverse we have the year, we have the value, we have the country name, and the animal is a beaver. This 5-cent coin from 1981 has a mintage of 99,107,900. Again, quite a large mintage. And the final coin has Her Late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II again. It's a 20-cent coin from 1967, and the place of issue is Australia. We do have the Queen, the year and the country name on this side, Her Late Majesty. And then on the reverse we have the value of 20 cents and we have a platypus. The mintage for this 1967 coin is 83,848,000. I repeat, the mintage is 83,848,000. Now there are things about the different amount of fingers on the platypus and things like that. However, I don't think this I think this coin is quite a standard one from all accounts. So there we go. That ends this particular coin hunt. Let me just put it all back into its bag. I hope you've enjoyed this animal coin hunt. If you're having a hunt and you hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you're buying the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 5 videos a week. Just recently I've been doing 6, in the hope that you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am trying to improve my subscriber level again this year, and I'm looking at a target of 425. Currently I'm around about 290, just short of 290 subscribers, and this is the middle of February 2024. If you can help me out and you believe I deserve it, I would value your subscription. But until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.